Model, 68-plate Ford Transit 350 body, white, panel van mileage, 99,489 MOT, the 8th of May 2024 engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £11,150. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.